guys, it's Cassie, and today we are going to be going through my luxury closet tour. Oh my gosh, if you're a seasoned subscriber, if you've been around the block with me a couple of times, you know that I recently moved from a 1-bedroom into a 2-bedroom. Regarding my closet situation in my previous flat, it was literally a bunch of boxes, a bunch of underbed storage, and half a wardrobe. So we have upgraded. I am happy to announce, part of the reason why we moved was so that the extra bedroom that we would be getting would be like my closet slash filming room, so that I can be self-contained into one area of the flat and my boyfriend doesn't have to like look around and there just being all my crap everywhere. So guys, I'm so excited. It's just come together like 2 days ago. I'm gonna go through everything, where I got everything from, what my thought process was. There's basically this room plus a wardrobe, so I'll be taking you through both. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie. I am a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. So if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably gonna love it here. So head down there, subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Empty of you, welcome to my sodding crib. It's closet tour, basically. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. This is everything I wanted this to be. Okay, so, let me just give you a quick once over, then we're gonna go into the details. I got all this, right? We've got my window, we've got my little workstation, right? Then we've got my little rack there, and these, which I will give more context to. All right. Kicking it off with this. Okay, so this is the Ikea Pax system, all right? This is basically the one that everybody goes for when they're trying to make a sort of open luxury closet. So when I was putting this together, I was really inspired by 3 people, okay, in their closets. Number 1, Alyssa Lenore. My gosh. Her whole setup is just like so beautifully put together, and I'll show you the places that I've like taken inspo from her. The other person, Hilo Lux, okay, again, she has the pack system and how she kind of like had space for the boots on the bottom and all of that. I loved that. And then also Melissa's wardrobe. So she also has the pack system, and she's kind of done a mix of both. So like a little bit kind of like curated and looks a bit like a shop, and a little bit like I'm just trying to store things in a cute way. Does that make sense? The pack system comes in 2 widths. This is the biggest width, right? Because I kind of measured up this room and I was like, I have the capacity for this, and we know I have a shopping problem, so I need all the space that I can get. So I'm just gonna work from bottom to top. All right, so at the bottom here, I've got flats slash sandals, very season specific. Here we also have, oh, you've moved. Here we kind of have clutches slash, we don't talk about the robot bag, all right? But she lives there in her bag because nobody really needs to see her out of it. Then we have SLGs, accessories. A lot of these are in their boxes because, I don't know. I can't be bothered to take them out, slash I don't mind them like this. And look, this is, you know, things are gonna look nice, but they're not gonna be perfect because I am most certainly not. Here we have more accessories, slash the ones that I use a little bit more often. Some earrings and stuff like that. My most used kind of belts, chain belts. Can you just straighten up, please? You're on camera, thank you. Other sorts of accessories, and then we have sunglasses. A lot of these I know which is what's in each one, so I don't need to like open them out and whatever. And I have nowhere to store all of these boxes, so they may as well just kind of stay like this. Then we move on to this shelf. This is my most aesthetically pleasing shelf. This is my most Pinterest appropriate shelf. Oh, I got this idea from Alyssa Lenore and I'm obsessed with it, right? So I actually got this from like, I think they supply shops, and the saddlebags are so hard to store like on the side or whatever, so I think it looks great. I think it looks fabulous. I've kind of used boxes to give some height as well, so that I have somewhere to store the boxes, and also, you know, a little bit of interest, right? Bunny ears, love them. Very Ariana Grande of me, dangerous woman. Here we get a little bit more messy, but I still love it. What are you doing? This is not time for your games. Accessories, shoes. Fun fact, my Fendi headphones that, you know, technology's moved on. but again, can't bear to get rid of them. Then we have more kind of shoes. The shoes here are the ones that kind of like have significant value to me. So like, these were my graduation shoes. These are signed by Virgil Abloh, which was a high point of my life. Then we have more shoes at the top, but these are ones that are maybe not like my priorities right now. There's 2 rows there, or a very season specific, or like are just like out of rotation at the moment, or I wear once in a while situation. Then we move to the middle. So there should be another drawer here, but something had to go wrong, didn't it? And that thing that went wrong was Ikea sent me this drawer and not all of the parts were there and everything else. I have to hype myself up / be in a certain state of mind to email them and contact them about sending me another / some form of compensation for the inconvenience. I haven't drummed up the energy I need to do that yet, but that's why there's like a massive gap here. This is like dust bags, these things for like shoes, shoehorn and odds and bits and care stuff and all of that, right? So that's what's currently happening in there. Then we have 4 kind of low top sneakers here. Then we move here, we are pulling into mini bag central. This is the next stop on the tour. Then we move up here, we've got the, obviously got to have front and center, Ivy, looking fabulous, you beautiful, beautiful being. Another box at the back there. I love these, right? These tiny little acrylic. Again, I got these off Amazon actually. These are off Amazon, just to give a bit of height. Again, looks a little bit shop-like. I'm here for it. Move up a level, we've got some more bags, and then we've got 2 boxes, because you've got to leave room for things that you haven't bought yet. You know, you've got to give yourself some room to grow, you know? Also, when I was planning this, Ikea's website has the Pax system planner, right? And you basically put in the measurements of your room or the wall that you're trying to do this on and drag and drop everything. So I did that and basically like put in, right, I want the shelves at this height and everything. So I basically booked a guy to come and put this together. It took him 5.5 hours. I had the audacity to think, oh, if I can't book someone, maybe I'll have a go. I'll put together a set of drawers, stuff like that. I quite like that. This, absolutely not. Here, we've then got boots. I mean, this is a little bit easier to store than the saddlebag. You know, I could kind of, you know, prop that up somehow, but I just kind of liked that. We've then got trainers here, heels. These are like the favorite heels at the moment, the Golden Children heels that I think deserve a little bit more of a spotlight. We love those. Some bags, acrylic things off Amazon to just, you know, give a bit of height. What did I type in for that actually? Oh, acrylic display shelf or something like that. Then at the top here we've got the big bags, travel bags, right? So I've put a box here as well, because it's A, some storage for the box, and B, gives a bit of height so I can see things a bit better. So these are big travel bags, and then behind that one there's 2 kind of like my Neverfull and my Louis Vuitton Artsy, and then this one with his face just staring at me all the time, looking disappointed that I haven't used him in a while. There's a little gap down the side that I've decided to fill with box that I don't have homes, and also recent shopping or things that I need to unbox / show you guys. So then we have, this is one of my filming lights. I've moved everything out of it. It's a lot more cramped when I like have my chair and my lighting and everything, but I just wanted to, you know, be able to move around freely to give you the tour. So here we have my tiny desk with my little Diptyque Cities candle. I'm not gonna lie to you, I know that this one didn't have the best scent description. It's not really a scent I would go for, but I like the colours. So here we are. Got this tiny little Saint Laurent speaker, which the quality is terrible, but she looks cute. Agenda, this is my like weekly one. I've got my monthly one, and then this is my daily. I know I'm one of those very annoying organised planner people, but I absolutely live for it, and it gives me all of the energy I need in life. This thing I got off Amazon that came with that, and this is off Amazon. I sodding love Amazon. This is my little, what are these called? Dream boards, my dream boards. Each one kind of like has a different thing or theme or whatever, and things I'm trying to achieve this year, because why not? And manifestation, and if it helps, it helps. And you know, I'm just trying to cover all bases. You know, brilliant. This woman I love. Okay, she's called Verrier. I think that's how I pronounce it. And she does these amazing, like, fabulous cards, and they've got like glittery bits and all of that. And I think she's based in New York because there's a lot of like New York references, but she does more cities now. So I just look at these and I think about how I would much rather be in New York than London, and alas, these are where the cookies crumbled for me. Okay, now I have the railing. So this is my little railing. Clothes that I would like to wear at the moment, or season specific clothes, or like say if I was going somewhere and I was packing, then I would put the outfits here for me to plan and all of that. And I just like it because it allows me, or it's like things that I haven't worn in a while that I might want to give, you know, like, oh, I want to wear that next time and I don't want to forget to do it. So this is my like clothes that I want to give some attention to. You know, she needs a shout, she needs a cheerleader. Thing of drawers, by the way, this is Walter. I've had Walter a long time, and obviously he's had many injuries. He's just a sand-filled lizard that I've probably had since I was about 8. But he's still with us, and now he just sits on top of my internet router, just, you know, watching over me. And then this is a little cube that Nee got me as like a birthday card one year, and I like it. Does anyone actually organise their own drawers? Stationery, and this is just like, dear me, this is bad. This is like my leads for things and keys. Dear me. I have this kind of trunk which is full of like costume jewelry to where I was 15 that I'm never going to wear again, but sentimental value. This is also a Sephora makeup box that is full of makeup that I am currently not using but will swap out in a few months or something when I want to change the vibe. Then we have these, and I'm well aware these are not attractive, okay? This is not fashion bloggery, this is not Pinterest perfect, okay? But I love the fact that they're stackable. I've had these for years. I know that they're not pretty, but they do the job and I like them, you know? Why not? This box is also full of scarves and belts and stuff like that. Now I want to take you to my wardrobe. So in the last place I was sharing a wardrobe with Nee, but now I have my own wardrobe, and this is where I kind of have, let me just show you again. No, nothing is folded perfectly, all right? And we're just gonna deal with that. This is my other wardrobe. So at the top here we have box storage. As a luxury addict, there are many boxes of which I cannot take it upon myself to throw them out, so they live here, and that is great. This side of the wardrobe is basically pajamas and loungewear and other things. Down there is a bag of like coats and things, or things that I don't wear very often or that aren't like seasonally in. And again, I'm not going to even apologise for the terrible folding of this because I can't be bothered, and this is real life. I also have this little plastic drawer for like receipts and buttons that came with stuff. Oh god. Again, that too is a mess. I've kind of ordered this from spring to winter. So we have like springy kind of stuff and dresses and stuff like that. And then back here we have jackets and coats and, you know, stuff like that. At the bottom here we have 2 drawers. This one is my extremely summer specific drawer. So we have bikinis and, you know, things that I would wear on vacation when that sodding happens. And here we have my kind of like workout drawer. It's self-explanatory. Nothing's that exciting. Good luck to you. Here we also have some storage for my luggage, which is amazing. So I've just got 2 of my kind of like check-in pieces of luggage there. So there we go. That is everything. I am so pleased with it, especially her. I am just like, this is everything that I wanted this to be, and I love it. And, you know, I think I've done an all right job of placing things. I'm not an interior designer. I haven't got those kinds of skills. When you're maid, God is like, all right, yeah, I'll give you a bit of that, whatever. Yeah, she can put an outfit together and, you know, she can do this, that and the other and all that. Interior design wasn't really in the recipe for Cassie. So I'm trying my best. What do you think? What do you think of her? I'm going to leave a link to another video here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.